Today guys, I'll be taking you back memory lane. And hawak natin is not a new unit, but this is the Oppo Find N2. This is released back late 2022 and this is a foldable from Oppo. And pansin nyo siguro lately, ang dami ko nire-review mga foldables. Probably that's going to be the trend moving forward. Itong foldable nito is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, triple camera sensor, and it's co-engineered with Hasselblad. Ang kanyang front-facing camera sa loob and sa labas are both 32 MP. Wow! 4,520 mAh ang ganong battery and 67 watts na fast charging. Okay pa kaya to for this 2024? Pag-usapan natin. So guys, itong Oppo Find N2 na may 12,256GB of storage. Nabili ko to kay UKDB Gadgets for 33,000 pesos. And kung gusto niyo malaman kung saan kayo pwede bumili, link on the description. Now, first thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya, it looks very similar sa Google Pixel Fold. Kita natin, no, it's shorter and it's wider. Yun ang napansin natin dito sa Oppo Find N2. And ang gusto ko sa kanyang camera bump dito, looks very nice and very seamless. Yung kanyang likod dito, ang sarap ng feeling. Madulas siya pero matte finish, so expect wala kang makikitang fingerprints dito. And pag finold mo, may makita ka nakasulat dito, Find N. Na magandang protection naman na itong phone na ito. Ang harap niya is a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Ang kanyang frames is made out of aluminum materials. And ang likod niya is also Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Now, medyo may kunting kabigatan to at 235 grams and medyo makapal siya at 14.7 na millimeter ang kapal niya when folded. When it's unfolded, it's 7.5 millimeters. Now, this phone is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. It's being made by TSMC, so ensured ka na hindi siya umiinit like yung mga gawa ni Samsung. And was able to give me 1.38 million points sa AnTuTu benchmark. If you break it down, ito dapat mo makita. 2,700 ka na loop score dito sa Wide of Extreme, pero 60% lang ka na stability. Ito ka na CPU benchmarking sa Geekbench. Ito naman sa GPU benchmarking. Well, okay lang naman ang kanyang thermals and it throttle to 78% ng kanyang best performance. Now, this phone has a 4,520 mAh na battery and it can support 67 watts of fast charging and 10 watts na reverse wired charging. So, charging from 0 to 100 takes a little bit about 1 hour. And if you're asking me naman kung kaya magtagal na itong phone na ito for a whole day since 2022, there are times na kaya, there are times na hirap siya. No, if you're using it just normally and most of the day medyo naka-standby siya, kayang-kaya na magtagal. But if you're using it consistently like social media or just watching videos dito, I'm pretty sure na medyo mahihirapan ka maka-achieve ng one whole day without charging, especially when you're using the screen inside. Now, nung manual testing ako dito sa labas niya for kind of screen on time, and I was able to get a 9-hour 60 minutes sa SOT. This one is based on 50% brightness and 60 Hz screen refresh rate. Now, if you're using the screen inside, expect it siguro mga tatagal mga 6 to 7 hours. Now, probably this phone has one of the smaller screen pagdating sa foldable. 5.54-inch na AMOLED display ang meron nandito sa labas. It supports 120Hz of screen refresh rate and meron siyang max brightness ng 1,350 nits. And if you open inside, you have a 7.1-inch na foldable LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz of screen refresh rate, HDR10 Plus na support, and 1,550 nits ang kanyang max brightness. Now, pagdating naman sa experience, okay, malaki ang kanyang screen sa loob. I'm pretty fine with it. Ang ganda ng mga display. Probably one thing na hindi ko masyado gusto is nakaumbok ang kanyang bezels dito. So every time nang swipe ka from left to right, right to left, mapifeel mo parang medyo there is something na nakaharang. Hindi seamless yung screen na pagsaswipe mo. But yung crease naman niya dito is barely visible, especially if you're watching videos. Now, if you're scrolling naman sa social media, be it sa inside or sa outside dito sa screen, expect it to be good, smooth, and wala kang mapifeel na any problem dito while you're watching your favorite shows. While you're scrolling on your favorite content creator. Probably the only thing na bitin lang dito sa kanya is that sa ibang phone, automatic mag-zoom in ang TikTok na shorts. But dito sa Oppo Find N2, hindi siya sariling nag-zoom in. Now, this phone supports a level 1 na Wi-Fi security level, so pwede ka ba ng HD dito sa phone na ito. If you're watching naman while it's folded, feel ko medyo bitin. Parang medyo cramped siya and parang siniksik ang screen mo into letting you watch a video na parang sinandwich yung video. But well, actually hindi naman. Kinwrap lang yung mga nasa side. So feel ko medyo bitin. So I would rather open this one up and watch it on the inside. Better experience on the inside. Pareho naman sila sharp and good dahil it has a AMOLED display. Now, pagdating naman sa kanya loudspeaker, medyo kakaiba lang siya. Normally, you'd find one dito sa ibabaw and the other one is nandito sa ilalim. But both loudspeaker niya is isa nasa kabila ng screen and the other one is nandito. So, it's still on just the lower part if you're watching it na nakaganon, no? Lahat ng sounds firing pababa and wala ka marinig dito on top. So, isagad lang natin ang volume, pakinggan na natin. Well, medyo bitin lang siya kasi wala lang siyang sound coming from the top of the screen. Overall, malakas naman siya. Now, I played 2 games dito using the screen inside, Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. One of the things na napansin ko dito sa kanya is pwede mo naman siya full screen. Unlike other phones, pag full screen mo, parang ang ganda ng view. Dito, parang medyo lumiit yung field of view mo kasi yung mga sides is parang kinwrap out niya. That's probably one thing na hindi ko masyado gusto dito sa Find N2 is pagdating sa gaming experience, parang bitin. There are some views dito sa sides na hindi mo na makikita, be it sa Call of Duty Mobile and sa Farlight 84. But pag-usapan naman natin yung kanyang gaming experience, si Call of Duty Mobile expect to give you a good experience on the inside screen and on the outside screen. But mostly nilaro ko naman on the inside and it was able to give me a good immersive experience. Probably the only thing na medyo bitin for me personally is that parang mas lumiit ang field of view ko dito. Probably siguro dati meron ako 135 degrees na field of view. Ngayon parang lumiit into 110. Yun lang na feel ko dito sa game na ito. The touch response is good and the game experience is good. And pinakamainit na achievemess around 41 degrees Celsius. Pagdating sa Farlight 84, same. Medyo lumiit ang field of view ko dito sa game na ito. And honestly, the gameplay was good until siguro pag umabot ka ng mga lagpas 50 minutes playing VR matches, may kunting slight lag ka mafe-feel. Si Farlight siguro medyo mas higher requirements ang kailangan nga pag sinema sa all high settings. But the gameplay was okay. Smooth enough naman for me to finish the game 3 beses, VR matches. The touch response is good naman and I have no problem naman while using sniper or scoping dito sa game na ito. And pinaka-main na achieve niya after an hour is 42 degrees Celsius. Now, pag-usapan na natin lahat ng camera sensor na meron na dito. It has a triple camera sensor starting off with a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS, 32MP na telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and a 48MP na ultra-wide lens with 115 field of view. And this one can let you shoot up to 4K and 60fps. By the way, this one is being calibrated and co-engineered with Hasselblad. And ang kanyang front-facing camera sa labas is a 32MP as well as yung nasa loob is also a 32MP, which is quite impressive. Both can shoot you up to 1080 and 30. So, alam naman natin itong camera ni Oppo Find N2 has a very nice na camera sensor. Together, this one is being co-engineered with Hasselblad. So, taking some outdoor shot, I would say na okay, though medyo gloomy ang weather these past few days, you'd see the details dito, yung mga water droplets when you zoom in. Very nice, very natural, though it's a little bit saturated, but I would say this simple shot is quite good. If you're trying to take some building shot, if you zoom it in, you see some really nice details. Kung nilalaro mo naman kanya ultra-wide sensor, this is a ultra-wide shot, a normal shot, and this is a 2x zoom shot. These are mga presets, and okay, still sharp naman mga leaves when you zoom it in. And one thing to appreciate dito sa kanyang shot between the ultra-wide shot and the normal shot, the color looks almost exactly the same. Wala masyadong pinagbago. Kung mahilig ka naman sa portrait shot, this one can definitely get you some good ones kasi ang ganda ng kanyang separation between the subject and ang kanyang background. And further taking some outdoor shot, though medyo gloomy ang weather, okay naman shot dito sa ground and medyo gloomy lang dito and medyo blurred lang dito on top this kind of coconut tree. Ito naman, I would say na maganda, malinaw ang mga nakaprint dito sa truck na ito while I was taking this shot. if you're trying to take some indoor food photography, itong kanyang camera would definitely give you some really nice shots. And some simple shot like this one looks quite dramatic. Now, kung mahilig ka naman sa food photography, expect this camera to perform. I was able to take in some good food shot using this camera. And yeah, indeed, it was really nice and yummy. Kung mahilig ka naman sa mga apparel shot, expect na it will be able to let you see what kind of fabric this is. Ang ganda. And kung ang hiling mo rin is taking some flower shot on indoor, expect this camera to perform kahit low light pa siya. And even though na halos parang gabi na dito sa loob ng game station na ito, taking this shot, I would say na very nice. Using the night mode, was able to enhance yung kanyang lighting dito, make it to look a little bit more brighter. Now, if you're trying to take some selfie shot using yung kanyang camera on the outside, expect some really nice one. And kahit be it sa indoor, sa outdoor, itong camera was able to perform. And I have no problem, kahit medyo low light, okay na okay pa rin mga shot. Though pag medyo low light, expect it to be a little bit more softer than yung outdoor na maliwanag and magandang lightings. But if you're using the front-facing camera to take a vlog, and I would say na, though it's a little bit heavy, but expect a good resolution, though it's a little bit shaky. If you're using the rear camera naman, ito stable siya. Very nice ang resolution. Was able to shoot a 4K video dito with ease. And though probably the only problem dito is medyo mabigat nga lang siya. But the rest is okay. So right now, gusto ko lang gamitin ang kanyang camera inside to take a quick vlog dito sa loob ng aking studio. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kaganda, and I'll be using the default microphone. So guys, right now we're vlogging using the Oppo Find N2. And this is the resolution you'll be getting, lalo na kung nag-chat ka or you're doing online streaming or you're doing online conferencing using the camera from the inside ng screen dito sa Oppo Find N2. What can you say about the quality? Let me know on the comments. So guys, anong verdict ko dito? I was saying na maganda siya. Probably not the best foldable experience dahil pansin ko medyo mas pandak siya. Kung si Samsung Galaxy Fold is parang pinisa siya sa side, ito naman parang pinapandak siya into letting you experience a smaller phone which can fit inside your pocket. Well, honestly, I have no problem with that. Pagdating naman sa view experience, pansin ko parang medyo bitin siya for my personal consumption. But overall, I would say the camera is good. The feel of this phone is good. Probably the downside lang dito sa phone na ito is, well, may kunting kabigatan and medyo chunky siya. But what's nice naman dito sa kanya, nung naglabas to, it's just running Android 13 and it only has ColorOS 13. Right now, it's running Android 14 inside ColorOS 14. Probably this might get the 7 years the fluency update ni Oppo. So, sulit nga ba siya for 33,000 pesos? Now, if you're looking for an experience ng foldable without really breaking your wallet, like bumili ka ng mga Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, that costs around mga 108,000 pesos. Start with a second hand like this one to get you going kung ma-feel mo kung dalagang para sa'yo ba ang foldable or hindi para sa'yo. And this is definitely a good starting point. So again, binili ko to sa UKDB Gadgets. You can check them out sa kanyang Facebook page. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.